A large, fully fenced yard. A separate entrance with in-law potential and a detached garage built for more than just parking. Welcome to 36 Hilltop Drive in Cambridge. From the start, this home offers flexibility. A bright main level with large windows and a layout that works for day-to-day living. 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom are set on the main floor, keeping everything simple and accessible. And the lower level adds plenty of value. 2 additional bedrooms, another full bathroom, and that separate entrance that opens the door for an in-law setup or extended family. Outside is where this property really opens up. A large, fully fenced yard with space to garden, entertain, or let kids and pets run. And the garage, more than just storage, a detached workshop space that's ready for projects, vehicles, or whatever you need it to be. 36 Hilltop Drive. To see this property in person, contact Kathy Long at Remax Twin City Realty.